Hello, busy ladies, and today I've got an easy DIY fall table decor to show you. I am Deb, and you are in the kitchen with Deb, and you know I'm your personal kitchen consultant, but today I'm going to show you something I love to do. I don't know if all you know this, but I love decorating for the holidays. It lights me up. I just love it. And I do some DIY on my own. I just have fun. So today I'm going to show you how you can do this with me also. It's so simple. It doesn't even take 5 minutes. And you're done. And it looks so cute on your table. And it all starts out with a mason jar. You take the lid off. I chose purple because that's my favorite color. So I've got a purple mason jar. And what we're going to do is we're going to make a centerpiece for your kitchen table for the fall. And you could even leave it up for Halloween. You can leave it up for Thanksgiving, up until Thanksgiving. Because it's not Christmas, this is fall. And it's something you could easily do. You're going to need some glass beads. And of course you're going to need some fall DIY flowers that you can get at the dollar store anywhere. This is what I love to do in my spare time. This is one of the things. And you buy the floral, I don't know what you call it. I call it floral squares. That's what I call it. Now, here's my mason jar. I've got some glass beads already in it. The glass beads you can hear, I put some in it. What I normally do, is I had to take it apart, I gotta show it to you. I normally put the floral box in first, but today you can do it ahead of time and set up your floral box and do it. And you can see all I did was poke some flowers in it, and I'm gonna add a little more. Your decoration does not have to be this full. I'm doing this because this is what I enjoy. I like it to look full. I like it. I want it to make a presentation at the table. That is me. I have a summer one that's a lot less fuller. The longest part it takes is just moving the flowers around to how you like it. You want to make sure you've got some leaves spread out. You want to make sure it looks nice. And there's kind of what it looks like. So if you want to play with it, move the leaves around, push them down more, poof them up a little, add some volume to it. And all you basically have to do is cut the stems before you stick it in there. Now, remember those glass beads? Oh, got another flower to put in it. Stick it in the middle. We're gonna get some nice set of colors, move it around. Now the beads, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see them now. I'm gonna get this out of the way. The glass beads, I chose gold and silver. And what I'm doing is actually put them in the side of the vase. Now you're like, why? What's the purpose of the beads? Well, actually, the beads help hold your project in place. And I'll show you in a minute, since I get done putting them all back in. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this on camera. Probably not, but you could see them peeking through. Now, it looks even nicer when you've got the clear vase, with the clear mason jar. So you can clearly see that there's the beads in there, and the beads fill it up. And you can't really tell that there's a floral piece in there. And voila. This is what I love to do. I love playing with flowers. I can't tell who's on. I can't see it, but thank you for the hearts. I appreciate that. And it is so simple. Just get your whatever you want at the dollar store. Get a little mason jar. Buy a vase even at the dollar store. Put out your fall decorations. If you find a stick turkey, you can stick a stick turkey in it for Thanksgiving. This is what I love to do in my spare time. I don't do it often enough, but this is what I do. Hey Heather, nice to see you. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate that. And I could see Heather's name. I can't see who else. I know you, but I can't think of it. I can't remember the face. I can't see the name. You're not showing me your name. Who gave me hearts? Appreciate it. So this is a little about, we're still in the kitchen. We're decorating the kitchen. Hey Emma, nice to see you. We're decorating the kitchen, but we're doing it frugally. We're living frugally in our kitchen. And you could say you did it, and all it took you was 5 minutes. Super awesome. Deb, thank you. I thought it was pretty cool myself. I had the flowers, I had the vase. When I was cleaning out my cabinets, like, and I came up with this idea, like, oh, I gotta do a fall decoration. Hey Kim, nice to see you. Yeah, it is just so simple, so inexpensive, and look how nice it looks. And especially if you have a nice arrangement on the table, it looks gorgeous. Thank you so much for all the hearts. I appreciate that. Well, ladies, I don't want to take up too much of your time. I'm going to get going here. But you know where to find me if you need me. And you know, I'm curious to know, are you guys reorganizing your pantries and getting all your food items together? Because you know, once you do, your cooking's going to go a whole lot easier. You're going to be able to find things faster, get the job done faster. You look 1, 2, 3. Oh, there it is. It's right there, and you're picking it up and put it in. Put your little spice in the cooking pan and get it done with. So, ladies, we got to get this pantry organized. And if you're not sure how to do it, I've got the course for you. Just DM me, let me know, and I want to know. Give me a hashtag replay. Let me know who's watched this. Let me know if you tried any of the DIY decoration. If you did, go ahead, post it, share it in my group. You want to find my group name? You can't miss it. It's on my profile cover. Ladies, thank you so much for your time and joining me, and I will catch you later. Bye!